Hello, little stars. Welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today, we have a fun story to read together. Are you excited to listen and learn new words?
Yes, Mom, I love stories. Let's begin our reading adventure.
Today's story name is The Unicorn Who Lost Its Sparkle. Once upon a time, in a land of fluffy clouds and candy cane trees, lived a unicorn named Annie. She had the most wonderful magical sparkle. It twinkled and shone wherever she went. One sunny morning, Annie woke up and looked at her horn. Oh no! Her sparkle was gone. Twinkle, twinkle, where did you go? She whispered. She felt so sad and worried. Annie decided to find her sparkle. She trotted over to a big, beautiful rainbow. Oh, rainbow, she asked, have you seen my sparkle? The rainbow giggled. Look inside, little one. Next, Amy fluttered her eyelashes at a group of dancing butterflies. Hello, butterflies. Do you know where my sparkle went? The butterflies danced around her and whispered, It's in your heart, silly unicorn. Annie felt a little confused. She looked up at the big round moon. Moon, oh moon, please help me find my sparkle. The moon twinkled back at her. Your sparkle is always with you, Annie. It's inside you all along. Suddenly, Annie felt a tickle in her nose. Achoo! She sneezed a big sparkly sneeze. Little bits of glitter flew out. Hiccup, hiccup. She hiccuped and a tiny star popped out. Her magic was still there, but it felt different. Annie felt lonely. She missed her big red sparkle. I am not a real unicorn anymore, she thought. I am just plain ordinary unicorn. She felt sad. Just then, she saw a little bunny hopping all alone. The bunny was lost and looked very scared. Oh, little bunny, Annie said gently, don't be afraid. I will help you find your way home. Annie was so brave. She led the little bunny through the tall grass and over a little stream. She was so kind and so helpful. She wasn't thinking about her sparkle at all. And guess what? Annie's horn began to glow. It wasn't just a twinkle. It was a big, beautiful, magical shine. Her sparkle was back, brighter than ever. Sparkle, sparkle, she sang. She had found her sparkle by being kind and brave. From that day on, Annie knew a very important secret. Her sparkle wasn't something she could lose. It was always inside her waiting to shine. So remember, little ones, your sparkle comes from being kind and brave. And most of all, it's the most magical sparkle of all. That was a wonderful story. I loved reading with you today. Remember, every day is a new chance to discover more words and stories.
Thank you, friends. Keep reading and smiling. Bye bye. See you next time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye.